Hello, today I talk about how to install and set up Siemens SCADA software WinCC. If you want to install WinCC, first you should install some Microsoft program. Open Control Panel, go to Program, go to Turn Windows. You should install Light Framework 3.5 and MS MCO. It's a Microsoft message queue. I installed it. Here is marked, here it's marked. Okay. Then we start install WinCC. Here, run as administrator. WinCC 8.5 is very new version. Okay. We install English. We install packaging installation. We just install WinCC installation. Okay. Here we don't need anything. Let me see which one we want to install. Okay, don't need this Okay. Next. Next. Connect. Okay. So now we start with CC. Okay. So we can choose single use project. Name test. Okay, create. Here is the interface is very fresh. Okay, go to tag management. Here is all the steps. Okay, you can choose driver on the OPC. Okay, if you want to use Siemens PLC, you can choose a Semetic i7 or Semetic i7 1200, 1500. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.